Hello. Am I audible? Hi friends, this is your Dr. Bapuji Pullepu alias Dr. BP. See, actually we want to do just, I don't want to go very deeply, just I will give the outline of the first unit, what we are discussing. Actually first, what you are discussed actually, see, first you can write what is the partial differential equation. Already you know some basic things you are done, how to partial differentiation, how to do partial application of PDE, maxima, minima, then everything you are done in first year. Then further moving is application differential equation dealing with the partial definition. How we are doing, maybe they will deal with all with coefficients, rho square, rho x square plus 2 into rho square plus rho y square plus 3 into rho x rho y. So you may have a more than one independent variable. We deal here all partial definition. Initially what we do actually, this is already later we discuss, but first you can see whatever maybe what is name is what skeleton of the first unit. What are you doing actually in first unit? Any idea? In unit 1 what we are covering? Whether you have studied full subject or not, it doesn't matter. But at least you can read the headings. You have to tell, okay, if you open the first chapter means what? These are the problems I am studying. First what you will do actually, before that going, okay, that I will tell you. First you can write by forming the PDE. So by eliminating the arbitrary constant, you can form the PDE. Then forming the PDE, this is what are the coefficients I will tell you. This constants. First you can remove the constants. Then eliminating the arbitrary functions. Then what you are studying this, if you go deeply, you can go phi of u comma v type also. This is also nothing but function only. Two functions, single function you will remove. Then later what you will do? The types of the solutions you will read. In types of solution, what you are reading? Any idea? So before starting non-linear, first order non-linear PDE, they will introduce types of solution. So but ordinary differential equation will have only one solution. PDE means what? You will have more than one solution. So what are the types of solutions? So what you will write, complete integral you will read, CI, this shortcut I am writing. Then you will read particular integral, then singular integral. This I will explain you, don't worry. Then what you will do? First order non-linear PDE. In first order non-linear PDE, actually normally 6 types are there, but we deal only 4 types. What are the types? First type is what? In this actually, if you read 5.1, f of pq is equal to 0. So type 1 contain only p and q. There is no x, y, z. I will tell you what is p and q. First, before that you can start. Before that start the chapter, you can read partial differentiation. How we write? Dou z by dou x is equal to p. This already we are taken for granted. We are doing actually know everything. Dou z by dou y q. Then Dou square z by dou x square is equal to r. Dou square z by dou y square is equal to dou y dou x is equal to s. Dou square z by dou y square is equal to p. This notation time we can remember. Suppose if anywhere if I go do the problems means what z is equal to f of x, y, z differentiate with respect to x means what I don't want to write dou z by dou x. Just immediately I will write p. So it's understanding z is differentiation with respect to x. Z is differentiation with respect to y means what? So these notations I will use in PDE, forming the PDE, eliminating the arbitrary constants, eliminating the functions. I may use this only actually maximum. Correct. Then once if you know the PQRST, first order non-linear PDE. First order non-linear PDE means what? This is actually non-linear and first order. So what are the terms will be contained? The whole equations contain P and Q only. There is no R in this. Order should be 1. Then linear means what? Degree 1. Non-linear means what? You may have actually xp square, yq square, non-linear. Maybe add more than degree 1, q square, z square like this. So in this first order non-linear, order means only one time you are differentiating means what? It will contain only pq terms x, y, z. In that we have actually 4 types we are dealing. Type 1 is what? The type 1 contain only f of pq. The type contain only p and q alone. There is no x, there is no y, there is z. Second is what actually? Claret's form. Z is equal to px plus qy f of pq. The function contain only p power 1, x power 1, q power 1, y power n, this f of pq. Function of pq means what? You may have sine inverse pq, tan inverse pq, then p square plus q square, root of 1 plus p square q square. That only will have p power 1, x power n, q power 1, y power n, f of pq. This is the type 2. Type 3 what you will read? This I will tell you how to solve everything. Just outline of this unit 1. What are they? First if you start the chapter means what? PDE means what? Just you can recall. Okay. If function type 1, unit 1 means what? I will do first removing the arbitrary functions. I will do removing the functions. Next in removing functions I may have phi of u comma v is equal to 0. Then types of solution. Complete integral, particular integral, singular integral. Then I will go for first order non-linear PDE. There will have 4 types. In type 1 contain only f of p comma 0, p q. The function contain only p and q. There is no other functions. Getting or not? Then here also what you will write? First to find CF something you will do. Then there is no S I will tell you. I will do, don't worry. One by one example I will go while doing that. Just skeleton only I am telling. What is the outline of the first unit? Next what you will do? Claret's form. Claret's form is what? Z is equal to px plus qy plus f of pq. So for non-linear PDE you have to find complement this one, complete integral and single integrals. You can find out. So that I will tell you. Complete solution or complete. Okay. Singular integral we have to do. That's right. Complete solution. This is particular solution. Okay. Then one by one we do. Then type 3 is what? Syllabus of type 3 will have, this I am rubbing here. Type 3 will contain only f of zp. There is no x, y, z, just only z and p and q. Then fourth type is what? This is what? 5.3. Then 5.4. In type 4 what you will have? F of x comma p you can bring one side. F of y comma q you can bring one side. Then you can say how to solve it. This is skeleton actually. These 4 types you will have non-linear PDE, first order non-linear PDE. Next you will go for the homogeneous. Homogeneous means what? Homogeneous linear differential equation. The same order they will maintain. Degree should be 1. So linear means what? There is no xyz coefficients, only constant coefficients. For that actually y z is equal to solution you will find out. Maybe you will have dou square y is dou x square plus 2 dou square z dou x dou y 4 dou square z dou y square is equal to some f of x, right? This f of x will pa. So you can write here actually dou by dou x is equal to d. Dou by dou y is equal to d dash. Then if you operator model, if you change this for d square plus 2d dash 4d dash whole square into z is equal to f of x, right? To find the solution is always what z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. To find CF, what you will get, try to get AA, auxiliary equation. To get auxiliary equation, put d is equal to m, d dash is equal to 1. You will get auxiliary equation. Then m square plus 2m plus 4. Solve for the m. Suppose m's are different roots, means you can CF, you can tell. Same repeated m's means one CF you can tell. Then once if you know the CF, you can go for the PI. When you will get the PI, right side if we have any function, f of xy, then this f of xy f of xy this is the PI. When you will get PI, right side if you have any function, that f of xy may be different shapes. F of xy is going to suppose some we have e for ax plus by. Means how to attack, that is different story. Maybe this f of xy sin of mx plus ny. Maybe polynomials x for m, y for n. Then maybe product y cos x like this. So these all we will do. This is the skeleton of the first unit. Getting or not? Am I audible? Audible, sir? Now audible? Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Okay. Up to now, we can complete. Now we can go for audible. Okay. Because my desktop is somewhere, I am here with the mobile, I am there. Now, you see. Now one by one, we do the types. Now sugar above. Now first is what? This you can remember. Always you can remember what? Dou z by dou x is equal to what? P. Dou z by dou y is equal to Q. Dou square z by dou x square is R. Dou square z by dou x dou y is S. Dou square z dou y square is T. P, Q, R, S, T. You can remember. Now first is what? Removing the constants. How you will remove the constant? Maybe they will give some problem. You can remove the arbitrary constants. Z is equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Then this equation differentiate with respect to x. What you will get? Dou z by dou x. P is equal to a. Similarly, if you differentiate with respect to y means what you will get? Dou z by dou y. That is equal to q is equal to b. Then go back and substitute it. What you will get? Z is equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square is the required PDE. There are problems if you differentiate x, differentiate with respect to y, you can able to remove a and b. Sometimes we cannot remove. At what time that problem will come, deals I will tell you. Before that, you may have some problems like this. Z square is equal to x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square. In this case, what you will do? 2z into p. If you differentiate with respect to x, what you will get? 2z into p is equal to 2 into x minus a. 2 cancel. But some people they will prepare, I want to remove A is equal to something, no need. X minus A can keep as a one block. So my X minus A is equal to what? ZP. Getting or not? Similarly, Y minus B is equal to what you get? 2ZQ is equal to 2 into Y minus B. So Y minus B is equal to ZQ. So no need to prepare A is equal to something, B is equal to something. Because X minus A itself I am preparing as a one block. So from this what I will get? X minus A is equal to ZP. So Z square P square Z square Q square. So my answer is what? Z square is equal to Z square P square plus Z square Q square. Getting any problem? Yes? Say yes or no. In chat box, okay, I can put. For understanding, only 21 members only there actually. You are expecting 2000 students, only 22. Okay, no problem. What? How many of you attending? Just you can attend. Getting or not? Okay? Say yes or no. Okay. Now we may deal some type of constants. See, Z is equal to X square plus A, Y square plus B. Here I can able to remove A and B. I will get the ZPQ is equal to 4XYZ. There's some equation I will get somewhat I can substitute. But thing is what? See, this loss you can keep one black. P is equal to what? 2x into y square plus b. So P by 2x is equal to what? Y square plus b. So no need to prepare what? Similarly, Q by 2y is equal to what? X square plus a. Go back and substitute what you will get. Z is equal to, this is what? Q by 2y. This is P by 2x. This is equal to what? 4xyz is equal to P2. This is the required PDE. So here no problem. We can remove the both constants. Sometimes I am not able to remove. At what is the situation that is? Suppose if you see. Z is equal to ax plus ay plus b. See, if you differentiate it with respect to x, you can do ax, ax plus y plus b. See, if you differentiate with respect to x means what? You will get p is equal to something, a will get. But can you remove the b? If you want, you can write a by also, no problem. P is equal to A will get, Q is equal to A will get. From this both you can write P is equal to Q. But can you able to remove B? No. Whatever may be, if you differentiated X and Y, A and B, A only will get B. Y means what? With this constant there is no variable. If we have some variable means what we can able to solve. So we cannot remove B. In this case what I will do? In both cases I will remove the A. So what I will get here? P is equal to A, again Q is equal to A. Then P is equal to Q is the required PDE. Getting or not? Like this we can solve. In this maybe you will get some problems actually. Equation of sphere means how you will do. Actually sphere equation center is what? A comma B comma C. Radius R means what? What is the equation of sphere? X minus A whole square, Y minus B whole square, Z minus C whole square is equal to R square. Suppose sometimes they may ask, find the equation of sphere, center is lies on the Z axis. On Z axis who is the 0? On Z axis who is the 0? A and B 0. So what will get equation? Your equation x square y square plus z minus c square is equal to r square. Here also we are not able to remove the r. So both time what you will do? What is the c I will bring out? Solve actually. This is the way of doing. Next is what? Removing the functions. Removing the z is equal to f of x square plus y square. Suppose I want to remove the f means what? Maybe sine of x square plus y square, tan of x square plus y square, cot of x square plus y square, sine inverse of cot x, something actually. So from this what you will get? P is equal to what? F I don't know. If I know sine of x square plus y square means what? I can write cos of x square plus y square. F I don't know means what I will get? F dash. Into 2x. Then differentiate with respect to y means what I will get? Q is equal to f dash x square plus y square into 2y. Then I want to remove the f. This equation divide 1 by 2. So what you will get actually? P by 2. 2 will cancel. X by y. So from this how can I write? Py is equal to Qx. This is the way of doing. Py is equal to Qx. This is removing the functions. In this also you may have somewhat tough problems. Not tough actually, can think and do. Suppose you may have this. This is x, y, z, phi of x square plus y square plus z square. This problem may be already I told you in classroom. This may comes in 3 times it will appear throughout this first unit. So already first time maybe it will remove the function means how we will do. With respect to x, if you differentiate means what? Z is also function of x, y, x also, then you can follow UV method. So how you will do actually, this is y into x, you can keep p plus, then what you will do? X become 1, z is equal to phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square. Similarly with respect to y, if you do, what you will get? So into what you will get? Into 2x plus 2zp. Similarly with respect to y, if you do means for differentiate x, you can keep as it yz. So what you will get? Yq plus 1 into z is equal to phi dash of x square plus y square plus z square. Then what you will get? 2y 2z2. Then divide by 1 by 1. So what you will get actually here? xyp yz is equal to, this will cancel. So what you will have? X plus zp divided by what you will get actually, this is xyp, this is xyq plus zx by y plus zp. So if you simplify, Aryan, what is your doubt? Come on. Chat box you can put. Now this problem is very strong problem. I told you this how you will do. If you simplify means what you will get? Px into y square minus z square plus qy into cyclic function x, y, z. Then y means what? Z square minus x square is equal to z into x square, j x y z, y z x, z x y. This problem maybe comes in actually Lagrange's also. This is the question means what? You will get the solution this. It's a very good problem. Similarly, the next type, this is the, actually you have the removing the two functions are there. Now I don't want to teach now. They may give actually z is equal to f of x plus 2y f1 then f2 of x minus 2y. These two problems now I don't want to teach you. Once if I complete the homogeneous, from CF I will tell you how to attack this question. Seeing the CF I can tell what is the question. From there you will write. Now time being I am not taking this. Later I will tell you. This is only I am not doing, but everything remaining, everything we completed. Time being, don't worry about this. I will tell you how to attack actually. While doing the homogeneous linear, there we find the CF and PA. Suppose this is the CF means what is the question I will see. From this I will tell you this is the solution like this. You don't worry time being. Now next type is what? Phi of u comma v is equal to 0. Phi of u comma v is equal to 0 means how you will write actually. The same story. Solving the function, removing the function is what? Ux, uy, vx, vy is equal to 0. Okay, ux, uy, vx, vy is equal to 0. Then you can solve. See, same they may give phi of x square plus y square, then xy. So this you can take u, you can take ux you can take. Maybe you will have z also. The same problem, see, this problem I done xyz is equal to phi of x square plus y square plus z square. The same problem they may ask phi of x square plus y square plus z square comma xyz. Now what you will take? This you can take u, this you can take v. Now ux is equal to what you will get? This you can take u, this you can take v. Then ux is equal to what? 2x plus 2zp. This is what? Again vx means what? uv method. Then y into xp plus z with respect to x I am taking. Z you can keep. Then yz. This is equal to what? Vx. Similarly, you can find uy. Uy is equal to what? 2y plus 2zq. Then vy is what? Same story. Vy means what you will get? X by 2 plus xz. Determinant ux, uy, vx. Determinant is equal to a, b, c, d. If you determine order also changes, same answer. But same answer will get is p into px into y square minus z square plus qy into z square minus x square like this. Up to here clear? Information of lot of problems are there, just you can check. Okay, now we can see. Suppose if you see z is equal to ax plus by, z is equal to x into y by x. Suppose if you solve means what first type, if you go removing the constant means what is the solution, you will get z is equal to px plus qy. If you remove this also you will get same thing only. Seeing the answer I cannot decide what is my question actually. Correct? So maybe you will have two solutions. So from this maybe this is also solution. If you say this is the solution means what I may tell this is my solution. If you say this is my solution means what I may tell you this is my solution. Getting or not? So partial differential equations have more than one solution. More than one solution. Maybe partial differential equation means what always formulating dealing with the dou z by dou x, dou z by p, q, r, s, t will be contained. Suppose my solution, my equation is f of x by z, comma p, comma q is equal to 0 is a PDE. Correct? So here how many arbitrary constants are there? Arbitrary functions? Two functions. That is what? How many independent variables are there? X and Y are the independent variables. How many independent variables? That the number of independent equals how many independent variables are you have? That much of number of constants if you introduce means what you will get complete solution or complete integral. So this complete solution or complete integral is equal to what I will get phi of x, y, z, comma a comma b is equal to 0. This is the complete integral. How you will tell the complete integral or complete solution? In PDE, how many independent variables in that much of number of constant if you use means what you will get in complete integral or complete solution. In particular solution means what? If you write in complete particular values, if you give the solution means for constant means you will get the particular integral or particular solution. Then singular integral how you will get? Here how many variables are there? A comma b. This equation differentiate with respect to a. Dou phi by dou a equal to 0. Equal to 0, it's not a 0. Dou phi by dou a equal to 0. Then dou phi by dou b equal to 0. Then 1, 2, 3. From 1 to 3, if you are able to remove a and b, you will get the singular integral. Taking complete integral or complete solution, differentiate with respect to constants, then equate to 0. Once if you get after equating the 0, you will get bunch of solutions. Solving this all, you will get the singular integral. Getting or not? Any problem? So, where I started actually in first unit means what you can recall. I want to removing the constant, removing the functions, removing in functions, two functions also there. Then phi of u comma v is equal to 0. Then types of solutions we are reading. Types of solution is what? Complete integral or complete solution, particular integral or particular solution, singular integral. CI, FI, the PI, SI they will call. Then we go for the first order nonlinear. So you should not call type 1, type 2, just I will call as a type. First type is what? This type. F of PQ is equal to 0. The type 1 contain only P and Q. There is no X, there is no Y, there is no Z. So I want to tell complete integral and singular integral I want to tell. How to find complete integral? Now assume Z is equal to solution, you can assume. Let Z is equal to AX plus BY plus C is a solution. See, if you are a wise, you can ask immediately now itself. See, how you are telling actually you are only two variables, why are you taking three constants you can call? Completed integral means how I defined actually. How I defined actually. Only two independent variables, I will have two constants. But how I am taking three? But this is actually without loss of generality. This B is equal to something I will do, don't worry. Just assuming this is the solution. From this I will write complete integral. From this I will write singular integral. Reaching or not? So, suppose the problem they may give like this. P square plus Q square is equal to A square. Sorry, M square. So put P is equal to A, Q is equal to B. Then this is the assumed solution. So what you will get actually? A square plus B square is equal to M square. Now what I will do? B I will write in terms of A. B I will write in terms of A. So this is what? B square is equal to what? M square minus A square. Then B is equal to what? Root of M square minus A square. Then I will get my complete. Now I am starting with 3 constants. I am bringing into 2 constants. Now my complete integral is what? Z is equal to Ax plus root of M square minus A square into Y plus C. Are you agree? Now to find singular integral, what you will do? Dou Z by dou A equal to 0, dou Z by dou C equal to 0. In type 1 all problems you can write like a tape recorder. This is what CA over. To find singular integral, dou Z by dou A equal to 0, dou Z by dou C equal to 0. But dou Z by dou C is equal to what you will get is, tell me here. Dou Z by dou A equal to 0, dou Z by dou C equal to 0. But dou Z by dou C is equal to, first you can write to find singular integral, dou Z by dou A and dou Z by dou C. Don't write equal, this writing you can write equal to 0. Getting on? Dou Z by dou A and dou Z by dou C equal to 0. Type 1 for all problems you can write like a tape recorder. Then what you will do? Immediately you can write dou Z by dou C is equal to what? 1, which is not equal to 0. So no singular integral. For all problems what you will do? First you can find Ci. Put P is equal to A, Q is equal to B. Then B is equal to, you can write in terms of A, F of A. Go back and substitute it. First you can assume that Z is equal to Ax plus By plus C is a solution. In that B you can remove in terms of A you can write. Then it satisfied complete integral. Complete integral means what I want to tell? How many independent variables? That much of constant only I want to use. Okay. Then to find SA, what you will do? Dou Z by dou A and dou Z by dou C equal to 0. But dou Z by dou C is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. There is no SA. Getting or not? So type 1 is what always there is no SA. Then clear up to here. Sometimes you may have like this some problems. P square plus Q square is equal to 4PQ. Now same story, you will write put P is equal to A, Q is equal to B. Then what you will get actually? A square plus B square minus 4AB is equal to 0. Now this you can take as a quadratic in B. Can find the solver A. Then you can write Ax plus F of A into Y plus C you can write. Again same story. So sometimes you cannot get B is equal to F of A means what? Maybe you will have quadratic form. That also you can try. So lot of problems are there. Now you can tell actually this is what? PQ is equal to 4. Now write this is the type of F of PQ is equal to F of PQ. Then solution is what? Z is equal to Ax plus By plus C. Then put P is equal to A, Q is equal to B. Then AB is equal to 4. B is equal to what? 4 by A. Then solution is what? Complete integral Z is equal to Ax plus 4 by A into Y plus C. Complete integral. To find singular integral, dou Z by dou A and dou Z by dou C equal to 0. But dou Z by dou C is equal to 1, not equal to 0. There is no SA. Like this, if you want, you can try like this. This I said, you know, this quadratic shape you will get. P is equal to Q. Okay, any doubt? Now see, second type, we do second type, then we stop. Actually maybe on September 5th we can continue. Just 1, 2 or 5 minutes I will do, then I will stop. 1 hour complete, please. Second type is what? Cartesian form. Claret's form is what? The shape should be what I said, z is equal to px plus qy plus f of pt. So to get Ci, put p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Here you will get singular integral, no doubt. Dou z by dou a equal to 0, dou z by dou b equal to 0, then a and b remove, you will get the singular integral. So complete integral what you will get? Z is equal to px plus qy plus f of ab. Complete integral or complete solution. In this we have one problem actually. Z is equal to px plus 2y plus root of 1 square plus p square plus q square. Instead of 1 they make you, I told you, a square also. Whatever may be, same story only. You can write dou z by dou x, you can find dou z by dou y, you can find out. Then what you will do, always you can prepare 1 minus of x square plus y square. This is the life of the problem. 1 minus of x square y square means what? If you write actually complete integral, what you will get? Z is equal to ax plus by plus root of 1 plus a square plus b square. 1 minus of x square means what? You will get 1 plus of a square b square, some value you will get. From there x you can find out, minus a by x square plus y square, by you can find out. Go back and substitute it. You may get the answer x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. But this is the life of the problem. You can differentiate with respect to dou z by dou a equal to 0. Then dou z by dou y equal to 0. You will get what? Minus a by root of 1 plus a square plus b square minus b by root of a square plus b square. Then you can solve my 1 minus of x square plus y square. That is 1 by root of 1 plus a square plus b square value you will get. Go back and substitute it, you will get x and y values. Then finally you will get. Suppose if it is a square also, same story only, 1 minus only. Don't do a square means what? A square minus, if you do means the whole thing will be collapse. If it is 1 or whatever maybe, it is a square coefficient, b square coefficient is 1 means 1 minus only. Suppose here 4a square, 4b square means that time we can do 4 minus like, but it won't get, don't worry. Max you will get 1 plus a square plus b square or a square plus p square plus q square. Sometimes they make you 9 like this. 9 means what? 9 also same thing you can do. 1 minus. This is the life of the problem. Don't confuse. Maybe assignment they given 16 plus root of p square plus q square. Then also 1 plus only. Any problem? Then I think it's already 1 hour completed. We can stop here. We can complete again September 5th. We can remaining class we can continue. Okay, thank you. At least 21 students only attended. Very bad actually. Anyway, okay, no problem.